onside, please. Time back on.
Battle so far in this first half. Can't gather that Solomon Amor. Advantage, knock-on advantage there for Canada.
Go back to the first knock-on. Set!
Penalty advantage straight there, so this time it goes against the halfback. He was offside as Canada quickly try and take it through and they lose the ball.
Always on the pressure, going backwards. Cross forward.
Samoa back to full 15 now. Good scrum from Samoa.
Ball's out. Return the back to the start.
Humans at the back of that line out. Kinghorn. And now the drive from Canada. Set piece plays, got it well tucked. And goes over. And the try is there. Wonderful work from Cole Harris. The lose that prop is over. And Tonga Canada turned the lead in their favour. 18-17. Tit for tat. Kinghorn at the back. As soon as he got it, you can see how Quinn got in there. And lose it from Cole Harris. From the Brock Rugby Football Club. 111, 18 points to 17. Kinghorn. Great work in that line out, and Canada orchestrating that set piece move beautifully. And at the end of that was Peneli Opetai. And he gets us underway in the second half. The first game, 2025.
It's backwards, play on.
This challenge. Samoa penetrating straight up high. We're trying to get it over there, but good work. McIndoe. Canada look to strike early in the second half, and that was a low pass, just couldn't connect. Knocked on by the fullback Peneli Opetai of Samoa.
Set!
Ete tucked in the back, controlled by Leumanga Chen, the number 8. Ete Afeonga. And the back, good work that time by Leumanga Chen. The number 8. Charging up, it's there for Ese. Awa. Good work by the second row forward. And
You're on your knees when you make the tackle. You've got to be on your feet.
Opetai. Oh, and the flags agree. So, Samoa get the first hit of the second spell. Canada. Long restart. Ese. Not taking any chance at all and just bangs it into touch on the other side. Humans, oh, they've made a mess of that. Oh, the bounce was good. And latching onto that, Josh McIndoe. Samoa gone to sleep in the back there, and Canada head back straight away. Well, not the kind of line out you would see any day, but Samoa just didn't read that, and going on to that Josh McIndoe, that individual play, that's playing. That one, I thought they made a mess of that until Josh McIndoe appeared, and great work by the fly half in the finish. comes for Samoa in there. So there is good work in the scrum. They've been putting the pressure on the Canadian scrum today, and they have certainly worked that well. Oh, so look at the confidence in their play. They are the charge. Penalty comes again.
Head and shoulders forward, hips collapsing.
Cole Harris gets penalised. Essay. Canada survive this one is Samoa. Get it out, open time. Essay. Reloading Samoa. Leumanga chain. Essay is there. Gets it to the new man. Powering up there is Twintea. Comes back for Alba. Essay. Digs on the other side. Good tackle there on Risale. Twintea getting involved into the heavy traffic. As he gets it out for Maono, putting his head down and getting pushed back. Essay. Alba. Good step in field. Good carry by the second row forward. And the penalty will come for Samoa. And a card. This is where they can be dangerous, but driving downfield. Canada, McIndoe. Good run by McIndoe. Looking for support now. It's still there for Canada. Half broken, but they still now try and rebuild that. Big tackle coming on there. Samoa put on a big defense just outside their 22. Oh, the quick tap there. Infield ball is good. And the try is there for the halfback, Webb, who gets his second. And Canada stretch their lead. 30 points to 20. Thinking on their feet. They got the penalty. They didn't wait for Samoa to reorganize. And the fullback. Nice run through. And then just shuffling it from the side door. And Webb getting time on Samoa. Samoa playing with some power, getting out Essay right through the middle, the halfback. Oh, the headline looks good. Well, they were probably really good work that time, and watch how Essay comes into play. Just waited for it, and then straight through that step, and then in the dunk was good. And that was good over there. To see that goal line drop out. Essay once again. Twinkle toes this halfback. That time.
Inside, mate, you got to come around, please. Number 2 in the side.
Samoa get penalized. Canada now. Denado. Kaisalika. This is Salivao. Still there for Canada. Spencer Cokie on the far side. What a run from Cokie. Now he looks for support. Samoa. Get back there to nab him, but Canada. They sense blood. It's still there for Canada. Trying to dart in. Kyle Finnan. Ball comes away from Mozaliwa. Trying to kill it in through. Darren Doyle, the captain. They try and get it on the corner there. Knocked on. Samoa have it.
Hold your weight.
Well, just an early he hit that time. Not able to hold it before the engagement ball. Samoa didn't get it in. They will try and run this. Lemanga Chan doing the hard yards in that exit play. And now driven by Oppenheim. Big charge by the Canadian forwards. I think he stepped outside.
It's out, boys.
Fifita Tupa. Alva.
All backwards.
Went forward, left the ball behind, and then Bosch kicking position away. Canada gets in well. Nida gets it out. That was Dinado into Klemke.
Come back.
Therefore, Canada, Dinado.
Oh, driven off, step back.
Doyle, head down,
Away.
looking good. Comes away from Mozaliwa. Canada, they've got numbers. Can they stretch the Samoan defense? Oh, support play is good. And the dive finish there from Jimmy Leach. Wonderful work by Canada. The awareness to know where the space was, the awareness to know where the players were, and then wonderful work by Canada. Just showed what they were made of. And hard work there by Kyle Griffiths before the midfield backs. Samoa just gave a penalty to Shaw, which came early in the second half to Opetai. Samoa, heavy, gosh, gets it out. Kaisalika got it back, taken out in time by PJ Sua.
Away now, Red.
Good work by Samoa, gosh, gets it back in to Monado. Penalty advantage for Samoa, and they get it. Oh, and the yellow card will come for Kyle Finnan. Kyle Finnan, the replacement, takes his block, gets the marching order, taken up by Alvar. Chance here for Samoa. Head down and going forward to Fita Tupa. Sit up is good for Samoa. Looking for their first try of the second half. Can they add one to the three that they got in the first half? Defense by Canada. Oh gosh. Went back, that's okay. Now with a kick pass. Canada. Dinado gets away. Foot race. Dinado. He'll go all the way. Samoa gets the try on the other side. Let his pass. It's always good to see a winger run away. In the first half, we saw Leo Lopi run away.
Okay. Good to go?
Gosh. Lemanga Chan carries it up, powering it up for Samoa. It's still short, it's still there for Samoa. Trying to get it back there. A referee says held up, and here's the job been done for Canada.
His hands underneath that. That's full time.
And that's full time. A huge statement made by Canada. 7 tries to 3.
Gusto nyo katong kami ko kung gusto ko mo. Para ta kani gusto nyo sa niya ni para sa. Para ta kani ko ang sino dito meta sa ligo ka. Sai su ka ka sila. Taku. Para ta kani ko nang batch. Ko dia sa mo ko, kalau mani ko tiga sa mo sino mo ko. Kasi hindi ko menos tiga mo.
Turun kintu.
this one against Tonga. Second match in Oceania Rugby's under-20s challenge. Tonga. Taking it back. Kiona off a hole with the ball kicked downfield, fielding well. Emosi Nuku. Josiah Ralulu, the boy from Nadronga. Mongendrau Kikau. Trying to put it to his Judah drive at that time. Running out of space up there. Over the top it comes. Taken by Armstrong Rabola. His older brother, Isaiah Armstrong Rabola, plays for the Fijian Drua, the fly half. Out it comes quickly, the time from Khan into the back line. Kikau, Fiji looking good. Here comes Ralulu. Stepping in, and now the opportunity. Stops short that time, Nuku, and reaching out, Ralulu. And the first try is there for Fiji. Just 90 seconds into the game. And Nadronga men Ralulu. Oh, great work by Fiji. That backline got into motion. Absolutely brilliant. Ralulu had the first jab. Got it back. Nuku. Good work by Ralulu. The clean out was good. And Ralulu just had to go pick that up and go over and out from the Leona Old Boys Club in Tonga. Taken up by Afofa Ta'ai, Tonga. Taulava, the captain. Tonga trying to get back in this after that early try by Fiji, and they get the penalty. The strike looks good, and the flags agree. On it. 7th minute of play. Has put Tonga on the board. Lulu. Hangs up there. Gets on the Tongan side. Untidy. Not able to take that time. Ta'ai. Fiji scooped it up with him. That's good play. Comes away from Khan. Now the back line gets into motion again. Armstrong Rabula in the middle of that. Oh, good quick hands and good play. Manamanai Malu spreads that out. Judah driver. Manamanai Malu trying to wrestle up. He goes over. And the try is there. He was in very good work. That Manamanai Malu was involved in that. Shifted it out for driver. He got that infield from that side door pass. And then Sampaia. Based in New Zealand.
Okay, let's go.
Tonga get the touch to that.
Play on.
Lino, it's turned over. Armstrong Rabola comes away for Kika. Manamanai Malu. Emosi Nuku. Try for Fiji. Just like that. Mistake by Tonga. And Fiji capitalized on that. That back line on with the line. It was there that Armstrong Rabola somehow he got away with that. And then Kikau Manamanai Malu just making sure that the ball. Oh, great work. Look at that. Oh, Armstrong Rabola. 10 out of 10. And quickly linking up to the back line. It's at the back here for Lino. Oh, tried to do that 8-9 play. Didn't work. Comes away now. Off a hole, quick ball out that time. Tonga. And then now off a hole once again, darting out. Kimalu Tupo. Is good. Off a hole once again, head down from Taulava, the captain. Leading by example, it's there for Ofahulu. This is Tofo Okusitino. Gets it back now into Fatani Lino. Ah, good pick up in the middle that time by Ofahulu. Tonga, looking good. Tava, the hooker. Carries that up well, Fiji. Looking for a good recycle ball there. Ofahulu out from Afu. Taulava, the captain. Oh, Kikau trying to get over the top of that. Oh, that is Manamana Ivalu. And that will be a penalty to Tonga. So, Nepal Lempuj and Apati Sanayev will caught offside.
Yeah.
Tonga look to go for territory. Tonga, they have a penalty to show at the moment. Tonga.
Step right. Step.
Isideli Tava. They go to the back of the line and Lino saves the day for them. Comes back in field. Sealy looking to get over. It's very close. Vaitai is there. And the referee. He will probably check with his assistant referee. But Afofa Ta'ai.
I always say this, and your man is down still.
So penalty it is for Tonga as they apply the pressure on the Fijian line. Ofahulu. The sticks just in front. Penalty advantage now for Tonga. Ofahulu. Trying to get that out over the top that time by Tai. They come back to the forward pass penalty. Fiji. Next offense and they might get a warning. Momentum there with Tonga. Sealy. Sure, Tonga trying to get it again. Great defense by Fiji that time from Seti Taya. It's there for Tonga. Straight through the middle, stop. Now Tonga with an opportunity by Tai. Turns away, looks to get that away. And, well, that ball went forward. They bring it back, penalty for Tonga. So still no warning, but he is seeing discipline to Fiji. Is that warning enough? I'm not sure. Ofahulu gets it back. Taulava the captain. Still there for Tonga.
Push back.
They're trying to work that through Afu.
Push.
The big men from Tonga get to work very close to the try line. It's still there. Waiting for it is Tava. Oh, good defense by Fiji. Rauluni involved in that with Aranavola, the captain. Tonga find another way. Armstrong Ramola puts his body on the line. Tonga now swing it out. Opportunity right over here. And just holding that ball that time by Tai. And did that go forward? Yes, it did. Well, Siwa by Tai a couple of times. He hit the... And the back, good work this time by Koroi. Good run by Koroi. And now, Seti Taya, the open side flanker, gets the ball in field. Driver, high tackle, but it's there for Fiji. Driver is down. Penalty advantage for Fiji. Koroi swings it out. Kick pass from Voli. Emosi Nuku. There's that, the coat hanger. And 40. puts it to the boot and gains territory for Fiji.
Time up.
I think Marika Kuroi is in number 17. I'll try and pick it up. So Neville M pushes off. Fiji get that back now. Adam Khan comes over the top. Kikau, look at that back line in motion once again. And that time Driver knocked it on. Well, that won't find touch. Finds Ralulu, the fullback. Gets it in for Emosi Nuku. Mana Ivalu. Fuli. City Taya. Open side flinker. Sits it up well. Impressive so far. At number 7 for Fiji. Adam Khan, he's in a good game too. Kikau gets it in the middle. Koroi, big run. Now it comes away. Rauluni, good run by the blind side flanker. Gets the pass in field. And Adam Khan will go in to score the try in between the sticks. That was brilliant. Hard work by the Fijian forwards. The loose trio working well. Wonderful work that time. Raululu finding Rauluni. Good run by Rauluni. Broke that Tongan defense. And then the support of Adam Khan. Absolutely brilliant. 4 answers within. Khan, the receiver, the try scorer. Kikau. Good straight run. It's there for Khan. They get him back quickly, Fuli. Over the top, Raululu hits the line in the back line. Onto Mana Ivalu. Fiji running right. Rauluni, can he go all the way? He hit Ruku outside, but Mana Ivalu gets up there. Tongan defense can't get back, and Mana Ivalu gets back there to score the try. And is his second try. We just moved into that like a Serge Blanco would do for France in the 80s. And then Mana Ivalu, Rauluni, he should have given the pass to Gugu, who could have finished it off. He made it a little bit hard. Mana Ivalu getting it there and then snitching it to go over for the... And Elias Adarna got penalised for that. Now, the front of the line-up, taken well by William Crew. Tonga. It's there for Tonga. Pulling it back in for Noah. Big man. Getting to play for Tonga. They're controlling the pill at the moment, keeping it. Good work by the forwards, and now they try and switch that. Over the top that time, Fuli. And Tonga quickly stepped it back. Good work by the Fijian fly half, getting in there, doing the hard work. Still there for Tonga, trying to get through Lino. It's a corner flag in the picture. They bring it in field. Tonga. Ofahulu. Comes into the middle. Tai gets the pass. Oh, the pickup was good from Vaitai. It's still there for Tonga. Channeling it in field. Sealy.
Offside.
Penalty advantage is there for Tonga. Stop that and come back for the penalty advantage to Tonga. Kept that time from Ofahulu. Referee still playing penalty advantage. Fiji were knocked in behind. It's there for Tonga. And ring over the top there is Isileli Tava. There's big work by the forwards, and they get repaid with that effort. Mana Ivalu with the kick, and Vaitai. Nice work. Kaloni here. There in the back for Crew. Carries it, sits it up. Ofahulu arrives. Oh, caught in position, One. Putting the pressure on his defense. Oh, it's picked up by Naemo. It's there for Fiji now. Khan channels Throws it in for Dagina Vanua. Fiji. Adam Khan. Emosi Nuku runs straight through. Emosi Nuku gets his second try. That's in the 39th minute. Nuku for the British tries each, and Mana Ivalu was the man who got the ball to Emosi Nuku. And Emosi Nuku just perfect timing as Tonga kick off the second half. Adam Khan.
Carry back.
It's driven downfield. Tonga comes back for Vaitai. Tonga need to find something in
Push back.
deep now. Oh, new man has gone on. 22 for Tonga is Veliami Lelenga.
Bye.
Deep inside their own territory, Tonga. Ofahulu. They shifted for Vaitai. It's a long kick. Oh, nice work. And that was Elias Ambaravilala. Emosi Nuku now on the run, looking for support. Tonga in the way. City Taya was trying to get up there also. Fiji playing with a lot of pace, and we'd expect mistakes if we're playing in pace going forward. Oh, mistake by Kai behind his own try line.
Crow. Bye. Set. Ai, wana na, lame, kile, lame. Kenya, lame. Bye. Set.
Fiji now at the back for Roy. Stop short. Numbers there. Naevo standing on top of that. Naevo now. Oh, goes over the top. Scores a try in front of family and friends. This man up and Nisa Naevo, who plays his trade. Aaron Avola gets the try. So Silva sending in reinforcements. And the back, Fatan. My apologies also to his family, along with Aranavula's family. And here's Aranavula now, gets the pass away. Emosi Nuku. Tonga have it now with Tofo. Good work. Oh, here comes Ofahulu. They've got numbers. Opportunity. Oh, I dropped the ball. Apofatai. Barabilala. Fanua is in 23. Fiji on the line. Drop up. Tonga, Vaitai. Oh, get the ball in field by Thais. Has he put it down? And the referee says yes. The first half. Good work with a good run by Lelenga. And then it went to Vaitai. Tava gets in the front over there. Oh, lost, and it's Raisova that takes it. Oh, gets it out of the side. Oh, Fiji come flying away. Ravukivuki gets it out. Mana Evalu puts it to the boot. Drives Tonga back. Oh boy, that was good play by Fiji in the defense. But Tonga, opportunity missed. They just couldn't get that line out done well. Good work by this man, Manam. Pulled down by Fonua. Tonga taking it into the heavy traffic.
Push back, push back.
One. Head down from Feoko that time. Fiji have managed to turn that ball over now. Tueli. Koroi. Laulamba is there. They put the body weight behind him. Tueli gets it out. Fully. Knock on. Tonga have possession. No advantage taken. Knock on. Gets out from Ofaulu. Tai getting it out. Now this is Kapoko. Penalty advantage is there for Tonga. Penalty will come. Heighting shoulder and then Tonga in the middle. It's pulled down there by Taufa. Fiji defending well. Tonga get another channel to attack. Ball went back. It's okay. Play on. The pickup is good there from the hooker Tava. Set up well. Ofaulu gets it out. Trying to take that through. Roluni is still there, number 6. Tonga take it up. Set up by Taufa. Now a good run by Vale. Comes back over. Hulu gets it away. Lino, they've got an extra man out wide. And the try is here for Penny Simani. Patience with them. Some good work as Fiji trying to get in there. But just a numbers game and they moved the ball well. And the Fijian defense crumbled.
Back up.
Ezekiel Fonua. Rauluni. Oh, chopping tackle there by Tonga, but picked up by Ralulu. Service good there, quickly out from Tueli Koroi. That's a little bit of a wardrobe malfunction over there, but courtesy of Tongan here, trying to do more than what he was supposed to do.
Five.
Tonga. Edges held there. Tueli. Mana Evalu. Ravukivuki gets it back. Ralulu gets through. Looks for the pass out wide, but Abilala went without it. Luku's got it now for Fiji. 5 meters away from the try line, Fiji. Aranavula, big carry by the captain. Tueli gets it out, fully. Saw some space there, goes right through. And over. And fully gets the try. And then will close it off.